Well, there's a big COVID scare for children in Maharashtra's Ahmednagar. This is the breaking story at this hour. Nearly 9,000 kids have tested positive for COVID-19 in a month in the district. However, the administration there claims that 95% of them were asymptomatic and the situation is not alarming. Local authorities are now gearing up to build new COVID centers, especially for children, which will be equipped with ICUs and ventilators. Take a look at this report.
(16,541) children infected with COVID in the 2 months of April and May. The second wave has hit all age groups in Ahmednagar district. At this COVID center, 20 kilometers from the city, the doctor in charge tells India Today there are 52 COVID positive kids undergoing treatment. All the kids have mild symptoms and there are no complications.
5 to 15 years, many pediatric patients admitted in center, but now 12 to 10 patients are below 5 years, pediatric patients. With mother, when mother come positive, then pediatric patient also, baby come positive.
आज ही पॉजिटिव आई है सुबह।
टेस्ट किया क्या आपने?
हाँ, टेस्ट किया।
तो उसको सिम्टम्स क्या है?
उसको बुखार है और सिर में दर्द है।
The Ahmednagar administration confirms nearly 9,000 kids have tested positive in May. Of the 77,500 infections in the month, 8,881 or 11% are kids. Keeping this in mind, the administration is gearing up with new COVID centers for kids equipped with ventilators.
चिल्ड्रन का जो है कि हम एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए जो है कि बाल रोग तज्ञ का टास्क फोर्स भी हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया है और टोटल हमारी कार्रवाई चालू है.
Experts, however, say the new trend should not cause any alarm.
In last 6 months in Maharashtra, at least I can tell you, the percentage of 0 to 5 kids among the total positive cases is near about 1% to 1.5%. It has not changed at all.
India Today visited a home in Pune where 3 out of 4 kids have tested positive. The family says 2 of them were asymptomatic while 1 faced dehydration.
So I would like to give a message. Please keep children hydrated because it is dehydration which causes more discomfort.
We got immediately admitted and they started our treatment. My health, it was till 4 days I wasn't feeling well. I had fever, cough, but that's it.
Although 8 to 9,000 kids have tested positive within a month's time in Ahmednagar district, the state surveillance officer says nothing to worry. He claims that same are the figures of kids testing positive from other districts of Maharashtra. With Rohit Walke from Ahmednagar, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for India Today.
Pankaj Khelkar is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from Pune. Pankaj, what is the situation there? I understand that the authorities are saying the children are asymptomatic, but this appears to be a situation where a group of kids have got this infection. How did it happen and how did the situation go so out of hand to infect, just a couple of thousands of children? They were talking about 9,000 kids.
See, there are 3 things in this particular incident wherein more than 8,000 kids below the age of 18 have tested positive in Ahmednagar district. Now let me tell you that Ahmednagar district is the biggest area-wise district of Maharashtra. When we spoke to the concerned authorities, they are now claiming that the figures have not changed. Percentage-wise, 9 to 10% kids testing positive has been the same since last 6 to 8 months. Other than that, they are also saying that all of the districts are reporting somewhat same type of figures. Now, when we asked them to give us the figures from other districts, then they were on the back foot that they are saying that it will take them 2 to 3 days to get these figures from other districts. So here is the catch that on one side, 9,000 kids have tested positive in Ahmednagar district. On the other side, the officials are somewhere failing or they are unable to give the figures of other districts. They are also claiming that they have geared up. COVID wards for kids are also being established in all of the districts with all of the measures that these kids find themselves homely in the centers where they will be treated. One more thing, that almost 90% of the kids are asymptomatic and they don't show any kind of seriousness. Only 1 or 2 kids out of 10,000 succumb to this kind of disease. That's what is being claimed by the authorities.
All right, Pankaj, thanks for getting us up to speed with those developments. Pankaj Kelkar with that report.